RPA, the RPA builder user interface. Here you can see RPA builder and builder user interface. The RPA builder user interface has following main areas. One, the Explorer pane to the menu bar. 3, BPMN editor. 4, workflow properties pane. 5, workbench. 6, workflow run results. In addition to the workflow run result, you can also find the process status in this area. Most visual elements in RPA builder have tooltips. If you ever want to know what the button or settings does, hover your mouse pointer over it for a few seconds. Menu bar. The menu bar contains icons for saving, uploading, uploading, and validation projects. The other icons are shortcuts to various views in the RPA builder. Explorer pane. The Explorer pane includes 5 tabs: toolbox, project, activity library, repository, and outline. If any of these views are not visible, you can always show them by using the view menu from the menu bar. The toolbox contains a list of elements such as action steps, control blocks which can be inserted into the workflow. Elements are organized in categories, and so you can find the fitting ones easily. By clicking on a start symbol next to an element, you can add it to the category favorites. Elements can be inserted into the workflow using drag and drop. You can find detailed description of each element in the toolbox section. If you input text in the field filter that contains content of the toolbox, it reduces successful to element, the name of which contains this text. Filters is case sensitive. The project tab contains a list of loaded workflows of a project. If you click on the workflows, it also display the workbench. That's where you can easily switch back and forth between the workflows. If you are using repository or for storing your business process, tab Repository Explorer shows a list of available business processes that can be downloaded for editing. If you use the activity library, you can view and delete all available activity templates here. Workflow outline is the shortened view of the open workflow. You can double click on an element mark on the workbench pane workflow run results. Workflow run results section shows details information on the last activity workflow that was run. Project status. Project status section provide details information about the validation and scripting generation of the project. Workflow properties grid. Workflow properties grid is located on the right hand side of the screen. In the initial view it is set to auto hide, but it will expand as soon as you have open or create a workflow. It displays all properties of the current section within the workbench. If you click on an element, the description shows in the bottom of the pane. If you enter text in the field filter, the displayed properties are successfully reduced to those containing entered text. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.